does it all mean? I've had these cards for like 20 years and I haven't learned how to use them, so I thought it'd be really fun to put together a notebook with all of the meanings of the tarot cards in them. Plus, it was a really good excuse to get the new Zodiac sticker book because I'll be able to put the matching Zodiac stickers to the cards that represent each sign. Just something fun to do. So if you want to see how I did that, stay tuned. Hello, I'm Katie. Welcome to the Planner channel. Subscribe to watch new planning videos every week. In this video, I'm going to show you how to use a Happy Notes notebook to build a study guide to learn the meaning of tarot cards. And I have here my old tarot cards I've had for like 20 years and I still don't really know the meanings of the cards. So I thought it would be cool if I put together my own little study guide using this Happy Notes. I purchased the book that explains the meanings to the specific deck that I have. So like the meanings match the pictures that are on these specific cards. So I thought that would be helpful with learning the meanings. I also have a few sticker books here. The alphabet one, which has numbers and letters in it, which I'll show you in a minute how I'm using that. And then a couple of decorative sticker books that have stars and zodiac. So this one, Reach for the Stars, has some decorative like moons and stars. And then Zodiac obviously has all the astrological signs in it. So I'll be able to use those that go with the appropriate cards. Now, the main point I want you to know about this is that you can think outside the box of how to use your Happy Notes. These are great because they're completely customizable and you can create your own study guide for whatever you want to learn. So my example is using tarot cards, but you don't have to use it for learning something like that. You can use it for creating your own study guide for whatever you want to learn. All right, let's start off with the Happy Notes. This one has dotted lined paper so that I can write notes in it. It also has all the astrological signs on the front, so I thought it would be perfect for my tarot card notebook. And I've got two of them. So the second one is because I wanted more of the matching paper to that one. I got this one at my JoAnn store and it was missing the cover, so I got like a really good discount on it, and I really just needed the tabs and the paper anyway, because I'll use the cover from this one. So because there are 72 cards and I'm going to need 72 sheets of paper, and this comes with 60, so I needed a few more sheets. These are the clear glitter discs, and I thought those would work because they look like stars and the gold matches the cover, so I thought those would be perfect. So the first thing I'm going to do is take this one apart so that I can get some of this extra paper out of it. So let me open this up. And so we're going to need 12 more sheets and a couple of these dividers. So let me show you what I have already done in this notebook. And I'm going to need to add some paper to different sections and create a couple more sections. All right, let me show you kind of how I got it started. I can take this out now. It's going to have 5 sections, and I'll probably go ahead and put all 6 of the dividers in here. But section number 1 has the major arcana, which is the 22 Roman numeral cards. So, and I haven't done them in order because I've been pulling like a random card and then just writing out the meaning for that one. So, for example, this one is the Fool. And I put the Roman numeral that it represents up here, a little description from the book that comes with the cards, and then a description from the other book that I purchased, some of like the keywords, and then if it also represents a sign or anything like this, an element, I wrote that over here. So it's just like a general representation with some of the symbols and descriptions that explain the meaning of the card. And I wanted to leave a little extra space in here to put stickers that also explain the meaning of the card. Now, I am not an expert on tarot. That's why I'm putting this together so that I can learn it. So as I kind of get more comfortable with the meanings of the cards, I'll be able to put in some stickers to give me some visual representations as well. And what I want your takeaway to be, like I said earlier, is you can create your own study guides using your Happy Notes. You just have to be a little creative. So I have that section for the major arcana, the next section for the wands and the cups. So I'm going to change this up. So we're going to put the wands will go there, and then the cups, wands. Let's put this divider here. For the cups, let's just put them all in order first, and then I'll switch the discs. And then, oh, I've only done one of the cups. So we'll just put that paper in there. Then the swords, so let's grab another divider. And this will go here. I know we're gonna switch them out again in just a second. I just wanted to get this organized. Swords. There, then discs, so let's grab another divider. Discs here. Maybe we'll put the extra paper in the back. Okay, now this is kind of organized. Let's grab our discs. So we'll take off the cover first, front and back. Add it to our glitter discs, and then we'll take out each section and pop it all on the discs, and then we'll add our extra paper, and then we can start adding more pages. So while I'm adding the discs, I want to know if you know how to read tarot cards, if you know the meanings, if you have any suggestions for learning them. I've been looking for like, ideas to help learn the card meanings. And a lot of them say don't worry so much about the card meanings as much as like coming up with a situation that represents the meaning of the card. So leave your comments down below with your suggestions of how to learn the tarot meanings. Okay, so I put in all the dividers and the different sections. So there's one for the major arcana and then one for each of the minor cards, wands, cups, swords, and discs. So I grabbed some extra paper, so I'll have enough for 22 pages in the front section. And then I need 14 pages in each of these sections, and I've done 1, 2, 3, 4, so I need 10 more pages to go in here. Okay, there's 14 for the wands, and then cups, there's 1, so we're gonna need 13 more pages. Okay, swords, 1, 2, 3, I did 4 of those, so I need 10 more pages for this. 3, 4, 5, 6. Okay, and then we have some extra space in the back, which you could use for recording your cards that you pull or whenever you do a tarot spread. This fits perfectly, but if you add a lot more paper, it's not going to fit. So it does fit with 78 sheets and all the dividers. Maybe I'll add a couple of pages to the back, but that fits perfectly on mini discs. Or you can use medium size discs and add more paper. Okay, now let's pull a card from the deck and see if I haven't already done the meaning for it. Then we will look at it. So let's see if the Hierophant I've already done. No, so we will do that one next. All right, I'm just moving one of the pieces of paper to right there. We're gonna put the card right here. I'm gonna grab this little meaning book that came with the cards, and I'm gonna look up the Hierophant in here. Then I'm just gonna grab a pen. This is a Papermate Flair medium, and I'm just gonna write the name of the card. I'll grab a sticker to put in the Roman numeral 5, and then I'm gonna write this meaning at the top. Let's do our sticker first. So I've just been grabbing whichever sticker that I like that kind of represents the card. So I need a Roman numeral 5 or a V. It looks kind of like gold, so let's go with gold. Let's see if I have any of those left. And I'm gonna grab a gold V and my tweezers. And we'll put that up here in the corner and right in the notes. All right, the Hierophant also represents Taurus, so I'm gonna write Taurus here. All right, now I'm gonna grab this book that goes with this deck and look for the meanings in here. All right, I'm gonna grab this key term, number 5. I forgot I had another book too that I was using to get some keywords out of. You can't use it for all of them because it doesn't match up exactly with this deck. You want to get the book that explains the deck that you're using if you're going to do a notebook like this too. So let me find, here it is. This page has the keywords. So for this one, it is education. All right, let's do the fun part, decorating. So since this is one of our zodiac signs, Taurus, let's look for the Taurus in here and grab one of these Taurus stickers to put in there. So I guess Taurus is the sign of the bull. So let's choose maybe like one of these. Actually, there's a bunch of good stickers in here. I kind of like these because they have little descriptions on them. So let's grab one of these that say Taurus, which says pragmatic, trustworthy, and tenacious. So it has like a little more description. Let's see, where can we put that? Because I want to put that, let's put it like here, like right in the middle. And then one of the, like the picture ones that show like this, like one of these. There were some smaller ones too. These, I want one of these. Here we go, like this. Let's put it right there. All right, I don't really see any stickers in this one that I want to use. There's a card called the Moon, and there are lots of moon stickers in here, so I know that will be good for that. So let me just put that aside. I think that's all I want on this page. Just for fun, let's do another one. I want to add Aries in there. Oh, I could get the matching stars and put that on the other one. Let's put it right here. And let's grab these stars just because they match that star. And put them just wherever. Let's grab this matching sticker. So Aries is the ram. Let's put it down here. So we looked at Taurus and Aries today. Leave a comment down below and tell me what's your sign. Okay guys, I just remembered I have this brand new sticker, washi tape subscription from Simply Gilded, and it's called Moon Drops. And it has like a little, see, it has the little star signs on it, and just a really cute washi. Look, that one has moons. This one has the days of the week and little moons. This one has bows and moons and stars. That one has moons. This one has the star signs. This one has stars and hearts. I want to use this one. Simply Gilded washi tape is so pretty. Where should it go? It could go right there. I think I want like just a stripe of it right here. I think it needs more. Let's put a little stripe at the bottom too. Let me just trim this edge a little bit differently. Like that. I wanted to do an extreme close-up so you can kind of see how pretty. Hopefully you can see the sparkle. That was fun, so let's do some more. Okay, this one is so cool. It has like a gray edge and then like a sparkle edge. I'm using that. Yes, that's cool. This one for sure, you can see the sparkle up close. Okay, trim there. And scissors here. And let's do the bottom too. This is like the coolest washi tape. That was fun. So you get the point. You can decorate all your pages however you want to decorate them for fun or to help you remember the things that you're learning in your notebook. Just have fun with it. Okay, that was fun. So that's how I've been putting together my little study guide to learn tarot cards. If you like this video, make sure you hit that thumbs up button and I will see you in the next video. Bye!